Zardes, Zardes, help me. I am Baltimore, protector of magic, guardian of the temples. I swore to protect the knowledge of magic from the greed of evil with my life, and even after my death, I did keep that oath until now. Zardes, I can't keep on. My enemies are getting stronger and more numerous. The threat is getting more dangerous. I need your help. You are to travel to the temples and open them. You can use the power of magic, which is sealed there, to fight that evil. What? Why me? Because only you can do it. Trust me like I trust you. But you'll need the help of the 4 others. Which others? The 4 chosen ones. You'll recognize them by the symbol they're wearing. You've got to find those 4, but first you have to visit one of the temples. It's very close. Just follow the road that leads southward. Go, Zardes. Please hurry up. I have a sense of foreboding. What was that? A dream? It's been quite real. Though, but real ghosts? That cannot be. Or can it? I've got to find out and travel to this temple. What do I have to lose anyway? Nah, I'm even talking to myself. I'm quite upset and totally confused. Slowly. I've got to find my bearings here first. No, it's alright. I'll get along alone. Go, Zardes. Please hurry up. I have a sense of foreboding. You have got to learn how to fight in order to solve all these difficult tasks that await you. Over there, you'll find a young wolf separated from his pack. Go there, attack him, and familiarize with your skills.